Today I am saving big with Dollar Tree outdoor decorating hacks, quick and easy, anybody can do. Welcome to CJ DIY. I am C. Dollar Tree is selling those metal plant stands in 6 different colors and there is so much you can do with them. They're at the plus section, $5 each. I grabbed 2 of them in a black color and I will give them a quickest and easiest makeover. I will spray paint them with this marble effect spray paint that I got from Amazon. I have this can for a couple of years and I did so many projects with it. You don't need a lot of spray paint to cover those plant stands. Just in 3 minutes, you can just spray paint them on top and on the side and you will have a brand new marble effect plant stand, perfect for outdoor look. I repeated the same step on my second plant. I also sealed them with a clear coat of Rust-Oleum since they will be outdoor, and now I will add them beside my stairs on my patio. Now to decorate my stands, I'm using 2 planters from Dollar Tree. I really love how they look. I will give them just a little effect with creating stripes, and I like those planters since they came with ribs, so I don't need to measure. I am covering them with a black paint. I gave them a 2 to 3 good coats. I also sealed them with a clear Rust-Oleum cover since they will be outdoor, and without breaking a bank and saving big, I will create my backyard patio into a grand oasis paradise so we can enjoy our nice warm weather. When the stripes on the planter are nice and dry, I am using the golden marker from Dollar Tree and I am just giving a highlights between the stripes just for extra effect and more high-end look. I fill out my planters with greeneries and flowers, and I added one of those solar lights in a color copper, perfect for my outdoor patio. And just a little detail on top of my solar lights, I have added a little detail on each planters, those cute little copper butterflies, and my planters are ready to be added on my new plant stands. For more planters idea, I have another video and I will link it in my description box below. Check it out. Another amazing find at Dollar Tree plus section are those metal black lanterns. They come in 2 or 3 different sizes. I got the large one. They're $5 each. Pottery Barn are selling those lanterns. Okay, they're better quality, but they're way more pricey. So those are perfect look for our backyard. I'm adding those solar cylinder lights. Dollar Tree is full of different solar lights. Grab them. You can do so much with them and make your patio into amazing look. So I'm using those cylinder lights and I'm adding them on the bottom of my lantern. Also, I fill it out with a white stone just to be more heavier, and voila, nothing more. You can add some plants inside if you like. Also on the stairs, I added those solar lights also from Dollar Tree. If you see those, grab those as well. and you won't regret it. For my next project, you can use a floral foam wreath or a pool noodle. I couldn't find a floral foam wreath, so I'm using a pool noodle. I added a painter's tape and make it in a shape of a wreath, and now I grab all those greeneries from Dollar Tree. Those are their best quality greeneries that Dollar Tree is selling. So if you see all those greeneries, grab them. They look so good. And I cut them off on smaller pieces, and now all those peaks will be covering the pool noodle. And as you can see, my daughter is helping me with all those peaks. And it was so easy to do. Anybody can do it. You can use this piece as a wreath. You can add it on your door, or like I'm using it as a centerpiece in the middle of my glass table where I add the umbrella. Just the perfect look, and look how high-end it looks. Also, the bottom is covered with a green moss. And for more details, I will be using more of those solar lights together with these metal candle holders from Dollar Tree. Just the perfect look. I add them on top. You can glue them or leave them as they are beside my green centerpiece, and I have an amazing look on my table. I have also found those amazing flickering flame lanterns from Amazon. Those are gorgeous. And I will add 2 of them on top of these ceramic black candle holders from Dollar Tree. An amazing hack. And those lanterns implement perfect with my Dollar Tree solar light, especially nighttime. It is gorgeous. If you find those hooks at Dollar Tree, grab them because they're selling out super fast and we can do so much with them. I used mine on top of the lanterns and I added more lanterns to them. Also, I added more different lanterns on those hooks, and it looks beautiful just to rise up your lanterns and give them a high-end look. Another amazing hack from Dollar Tree are those broom handles. I grabbed 3 of them, and on top of them I added my solar lights on them, and amazing beautiful look with all those Dollar Tree hacks, and my patio is ready for enjoyment. Let me know which of those hacks you like the best. Those are the quickest and easiest hacks that anybody can do. You can do those in half an hour for less than a couple of dollars. You can turn your patio into a luxury appearance. So simple yet and so satisfying looks that it won't break a bank. And at the end, everybody is happy and ready to enjoy the summer. If you like this content and for more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And my darlings, I'm sending you lots of blessings. Until next time, stay blessed from me to you. Bye-bye.